What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just gonna do a little bit of archery today with my new compound bow. This is what it looks like when you pull back. It's a nice little bow. I got three 300 grain arrows with 2 pointy tips and a soft dull tip for, well, target shooting. But yeah. So here we go. I don't know if y'all can see that deer target. It's right beside the full right there. Ooh, I done a trick. Alright, so as you can see, I got the 2 pointy tips, and then I got the dulled one. So I'm gonna just take some shots from right here and see what happens. First one, we got a nice pointy tip. And a little to the left. Then you go with another pointy tip. Remember, this is like I think this is a 500 or a 300 grain. I forgot though. That one went way up, and I think this is a dull. This one's a good one. There we go. Some good ones, but we're gonna get you up close in the action. I'm tired. So I'm gonna let you just right there so you can see. Yeah, not the most perfect shoot. But I'll take it. We'll shoot from about 20 yards, let's say. So. Just a hair high. There we go. Not a bad shot. Not bad. My bow sights aren't on, but yeah. So. We'll see y'all in a different video. Hold on. I'm gonna go get my deer antlers. I'm gonna show y'all that. Here they are. This is the buck that I shot. Oh, this is his antlers. Nice little 6 point. But yeah, see you on another video.